Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can get ChatGPT on your mobile. Let us start. OpenAI's ChatGPT is not currently available as a mobile application. It is not clear whether the chatbot will be released to iOS and Android users at this time. The chatbot is currently available on OpenAI's website, where you will need to create an account and verify your email address and mobile number. To use ChatGPT, go to your mobile browser and search ChatGPT. Now click on the first website and then slide up and click on Try ChatGPT. I have already made an account on it. If you haven't, you have to make an account first, then you can use it. It doesn't have a mobile application, but here's a way you can add ChatGPT to your home screen. To add, first click on three dots and then click on Add to Home Screen. Now add a name. Now click on Add. Now tap and hold on the app icon and then place it on your home screen. Now just click here and you will be directed to the chat page. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.